Hello children, today's lesson you are going to learn plus and operator. Use these operators to join two or more text together. Now I'll show you how to use plus operator. For that, type the code here. A equal Sam, give space. B equal Likes, give a space. C equal D equal play. E equal cricket. Then type print A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Now run the program and see. Sam likes to play cricket. Next one, using and sign. For that, I will copy this and comment this. Then change this plus operator to AND operator. Now run and see. Sam likes to play cricket. The same answer. We can use both plus and AND operators to join two or more text. Now input two values in the text boxes and calculate sum. Double click on this command button. Here you are going to write the code. Write sum equal value, the first text box name, that here first text box is txt number 1 dot text, another value go here, plus txt number 2 dot text. After that, you can type. There you are going to get the answer. That one txt sum text dot text. I am going to get the sum there. Now run and see. Type two values 46, 25. Calculate the sum. This is the method to calculate sum. Now using the same method, and we can do the subtraction. For that, double click on this command button. I'll comment this. Type the code here. Here subtract value is txt number 1 text and txt number 2 minus. Here is the answer. You can see the answer here. Run and see. Okay, you can get the value. Next, multiplication. You can multiply two numbers and get the answer here. You can see multiply value text number 1 multiply by text number 2. The answer is here. Then run and see. Hundred multiplied by 10. Answer is 1000. Next one is division. You can divide number 1 by number 2. You can get the answer here. Run and see. Divide by 10. Next, form layout. Run and see. You can see the form here. If you want to keep the form in the middle, you can change the layout. Stop this. From here you can move form layout in the middle. Now see, you can see the form in the middle. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. We will create a simple calculator. Good luck, children!